In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an anchor in Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to jump to the top or bottom of a long page with a single click, which is great for navigation and readability. Start by opening your Confluence page in editor mode so you can make changes. We'll begin at the very top of the page by adding an anchor. An anchor is simply a named marker you can link to within the same page. Place your cursor at the top where you want people to land, insert an anchor, and give it a clear name. I'll call this one top. Keep in mind that anchor names are case sensitive, so use exactly the same capitalization whenever you reference them. Next, scroll to the very bottom of the page and add another anchor in the spot you want to jump to. Name this one bottom. Short, simple names without spaces are easiest to work with. Now let's create a link at the top that takes readers straight to the bottom. With your cursor at the top section, type the / command for link to bring up the link dialog. In the first field, type a hash followed by the anchor name, #bottom. The hash tells Confluence you're linking to a location on the same page. In the display text field, write something user-friendly like go to bottom of the page, then insert the link. Head down to the bottom of the page and add the return link back to the top. Again, use the / command for link. In the first field, type #top and for the display text, enter. Go to top of the page. Insert the link to finish. When your links are in place, click update to save the page. After it refreshes, test your links. Click the go to bottom of the page link at the top and confirm it jumps to your bottom anchor. Then click the go to top of the page link to return to your top anchor. If a link doesn't work, double check the anchor name spelling and capitalization and make sure the hash symbol is included. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep anchor names consistent and concise, avoid special characters and spaces, and place anchors exactly where you want readers to land, such as above a section heading. This simple pattern, anchor plus a #anchor name link, can be reused anywhere on the page to create a table of contents, back to top links, or quick jumps between key sections, and that's it. You've linked to anchors in Confluence for smooth one-click navigation on your page.